Hello, welcome everyone to Embedded TV, and in the next 3 to 5 years you're going to be experiencing the biggest change in the way we do accounting, in the way we do voting, in the way we do any kind of activity that involves a ledger, an accounting ledger that keeps track of transactions, because in the last 500 years, we haven't seen any kind of innovation to the way we do accounting. Double entry accounting has been pretty much working the same way for the 500 years since it was first introduced. And this is until 2008, when a paper came out that changed everything. And this paper has introduced a concept that is adjusted to the new digital age, and it was the optimal solution. It was not just another solution, it was the optimal solution to the persistent problem that people have with tracking their property. And the paper was called Bitcoin, the P2P eCash. Now, we've all heard of Bitcoin, and it's not Bitcoin in itself that is important. It's the technology underneath Bitcoin called the blockchain, the way that transactions are validated without having to have a central authority that validates each transaction. Because with the traditional ledger or any kind of database-based system that we use today for accounting, we always have to have some kind of authority. We always have to have extra security on the database so that it isn't tampered with. We always need to have some kind of way to ensure that the database is correct. And even then, it's impossible to guarantee that fact 100%, like positively 100%, nothing, no doubt at all, 100.0%. To guarantee that the ledger is correct, until the paper in 2008, because that solution introduces the mathematical way to guarantee that every single transaction, you can have terabytes of data, you can have the whole world population can have their accounts in the same ledger, and effectively you can guarantee that every single bit, every single number in that ledger is correct. So once things go into that ledger, they always stay that way. It's impossible for anybody to tamper with that information. And this is, of course, because it's a group consensus algorithm. But if you're looking into this, and if you're looking into possibilities to apply the blockchain technology to your business, then I'll be happy to answer your questions. You can always email me to info@swedishembedded.com. But be ready, because this is going to be massive. This is going to change the way we do accounting. This is going to change the way we do voting. We are not going to have any doubts about votes, and this is going to change the way we do even the stock market. It's going to be massive.